welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning out my fridge. It is the perfect day for it because I actually don't have a lot in here right now. And so I'm gonna go through, take everything out, wipe down the cabinets, make sure there's nothing old or expired in here, toss that if there is, and then put it back all in. And let's go ahead and get started.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can.
Y'all go ahead and laugh right here if you want to, because I'm laughing with you. I was majorly struggling right here, trying to figure out how this stupid thing came out. All the other ones came out easily, and then this one came out bad. And I thought maybe there was some food or something stuck in the cracks, but no, for some reason that one just did not want to come out.
How you make me feel I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you.
Want to introduce myself. My name is Christina. I'm a wife of 13 and a half years and a mom to 2 toddler girls. You will see them a lot in my videos running in and out. I try to keep them out of my recording space, and it's pretty much just a losing battle, so you guys will see them pop in and out. But my mission here at this channel is just to encourage other moms, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you work outside of the house, even if you're not a mom, but if you have any time that you ever feel overwhelmed or lonely, or that you're just struggling to get things done for whatever reason it may be, I'm here for you, just to put on one of my videos and clean along with me. I'm hoping that you will feel like I am a friend. We actually moved from Louisiana to Michigan 4 years ago when I was pregnant with my first. And as soon as I had her, I decided to become a stay-at-home mom. And to be perfectly honest with you guys, it has been extremely lonely at times. It was a lot harder for me to transition into being a stay-at-home mom than I ever expected. I honestly always thought that I would love being a stay-at-home mom, and I do, but there are days that are so rough, and I really could use a friend. And I really love watching other YouTube moms, and there are certain people that I really resonate with, and they make me feel like home and less alone throughout my day, and I just really want to be there and be that for other people as well. I hope that my videos will make you feel like you have a friend who is in it with you, who's in the struggle. You'll see lots of real life moments on my channel, and it may even make you feel like you're doing a better job than you thought. So here I was just going through everything, all the condiments, salad dressings, all that stuff, and making sure that nothing was expired. I had a few things that were over a year expired, so I went ahead and tossed those, and the rest I just put back in the containers once I washed them out.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you.
dread cleaning out my fridge, but this was probably the easiest time I've ever done it. I think because I had so much less than normal in my fridge, but my toddlers were coming in and out because they were just wanting my attention. So I was trying to hurry. That made it a little bit frustrating, but we got through it and we got it done.
Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed.
I'm showing you guys these tomatoes I have. They're tomatoes on the vine. If you guys have never had them, you should try them out. You can get them at the local grocery store, and they are the next best thing to garden fresh tomato. The first time I ever had a garden fresh tomato, I was actually shocked at how different it tastes than just like an ordinary tomato. And so when I had these, I was really pleasantly surprised at how close they came to tasting just like the garden fresh tomatoes. If you guys have never tried any of these wing sauces from Walmart, you should try them out. If you like Buffalo Wild Wings, you'll like these. They're really good. We love getting the chicken tenders from Walmart and then just dipping them in this, and it's one of our favorite like weekend kind of like cheat meals. This is the stainless steel cleaner that I'm using, and it was later in the day, so you'll notice that I changed my shirt, but I just did a quick polish as the last thing that I needed to do on the fridge, and it looked all nice and new except for the nice dent in the bottom that our toddlers put in our new fridge. You might notice that, but beyond that, it looked really nice.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it inspired, motivated you. I hope you got something done while you were watching it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you check the notification bell so you're notified every single week when I upload new videos. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.